This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Gemini the photo. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gemini AI platform. Once there, you'll find an easy option to upload your photo. Simply click the Upload button and select the image file from your computer or mobile device. Make sure your photo is in a standard format, like JPEG or PNG, for the best compatibility and results. Now it's time to tell Gemini what you want to do. In the prompt box, clearly describe your desired edits. For example, you might ask it to brighten the shadows or remove the background. Using specific keywords like enhance, sharpen, or change color will help Gemini understand your instructions precisely and deliver better results for your photo. After Gemini processes your request, it will present the edited photo. Take a moment to carefully evaluate the changes. If you need further adjustments, simply add more prompts to refine specific areas, like make the sky bluer or soften the edges. Once you are satisfied, you can easily download your newly enhanced image in your preferred resolution. To truly master Gemini photo editing, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different prompt variations to achieve unique and creative results. For more complex transformations, consider using a series of prompts rather than just one, building up your edits step by step. This iterative approach often yields the most impressive outcomes. Also, for more great deals and resources, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.